You must take the A train if you really want to go to Harlem. Come on and take the A train. You'll find the quickest way to get to Harlem. Hurry, hurry, boy, it's coming. Can't you hear those engines strumming? Get on board and take the A train. You'll find the quickest way to get to Harlem. Hurry, 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 baby, get on board. Get on board the A train. If you really, 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 really wanna go to Harlem, catch a train, let's go on the A train. Can't you hear those engines strumming? Hurry, hurry, boy, it's coming. Come on, get on board, yeah. The yeah, train, find the quickest way to get to Harlem.